Hello everyone, Jody Heath. Having some issues with tables showing up okay in the online web-based version of Evernote, but when I come over to the desktop version, everything is blown out of proportion. So when I made this two-column table a few years ago, it looked exactly like you're seeing here. Currently I'm in the web-based version of Evernote, which I seldom use. I like using the desktop version. It's one of the pluses I see of having Evernote, because it's mainly for me it's always been desktop based is the one I use the most. The only reason I'm using the web-based version is because the desktop version stopped working about a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago, for only for tables. I'm finding, although here lately I'm seeing some strange things with like the zoom and the size of text and stuff, which I'm not sure what's going on there. But this is the way that the table looked, and I made this table extra narrow intentionally because I wanted it to display properly on smart devices and iPhones and Androids and all that stuff, because a lot of my users use their smartphone to view this table. Okay, so I'm going to jump over just to show you it's viewing fine. This is the shared version that you'd see if you had a link to it and you went to the website, and this is the public link, and it looks the same just like you would expect. And then when you come over to the desktop version, everything is just blown out. Okay, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and you can see it's like this. The text is big. I've tried to zoom out through Control minus. I've tried to do it manually. I've done the actual size, and then I've come back and I've done the Control minus like that, and just nothing seems to help. Okay, I'm going to put up a image here. It's also seems to be unchanged. By the way, this is the Windows version of Evernote that you're looking at right now, and it's the application is actually downloaded through the Windows Store. So I'm not using the standalone app. I'm using the Windows Store version, which I got because I use it so much. I wanted to keep it updated, and that one updates automatically. So that's what I did. And it's worked fine for the last year or two without any problems, and now here I am. I'll put up another image in a minute of my iPhone 10, and here's the Evernote app for iPhone 10, and it's displaying just the same as it always has. And then I'll go ahead and click this link and show you what it looks like in Safari, and it looks fine just as you would expect. The only problem is when you come over to the back to the actual desktop version, it's pretty much unusable. You can't really edit what you need to edit. You can't see what you need to see, and basically have to resort to going back to the online version, which I'm just not I've never been a fan of it, just because it's not as efficient to me. But if I want to make any edits in any table, and I only use a few tables in Evernote, but any of the tables I use, if I need to edit them, I'm pretty much resigned to having to edit them from the online web-based version of Evernote. So if anyone has any solutions, please chime in. Thanks a lot. Take care.